Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra SMS938B/DS is a powerhouse of a smartphone that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with sleek design. With a generous 512GB storage capacity and 12GB of RAM, this device offers ample space for apps, photos, and videos, making it an excellent choice for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. One of the standout features is its AI capabilities, which enhance user experience significantly. The phone intelligently manages battery life, optimizing performance based on usage patterns. This ensures that you can enjoy a full day of use without worrying about running low on power. The adaptive battery feature is a game changer, allowing for extended usage without the constant need to recharge. The display is another highlight. With a vibrant AMOLED screen that boasts sharp colors and deep blacks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is perfect for media consumption. Watching videos or playing graphics-intensive games feels immersive, thanks to the high refresh rate that ensures smooth visuals. Photographers will appreciate the camera system, which features advanced AI-powered photography enhancements. The main camera captures stunning images with incredible detail, even in low-light conditions, while the telephoto lens offers impressive zoom capabilities. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a premium design that feels great in hand. It's also IP68 rated, ensuring durability against dust and water, making it suitable for various environments. On the software side, the device runs on the latest version of Samsung's One UI, which is intuitive and user-friendly, providing a seamless experience whether you're navigating apps or customizing settings. Multitasking is effortless with the large screen and powerful RAM, allowing you to switch between tasks with ease. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra SMS938B/DS is an exceptional smartphone that caters to a wide range of user needs. With its robust features, stunning display, and impressive AI functionality, it stands out in the competitive smartphone market, making it a worthy investment for anyone in search of a premium device.